Good day, everyone. Today I'll be talking about liberating structure technique. Now let's look at what is liberating structure. Liberating structures are innovative and hands-on technique designed to facilitate the involvement and empowerment of everyone in influencing the future action. This method delegates control, enabling participants to actively contribute to shaping direction as event unfolds. Additionally, they provide a straightforward means for leaders at any level to establish conditions that allow individuals to operate at their highest level of skill and creativity. In such an environment, individual flourishes, deriving satisfaction from their work, paving way for optimal performances. In the image here, we have all the types of liberating structure. Wicked question is the liberating structure we'll be talking about today. Wicked questions are thought-provoking inquiries meant to refute presumption, inspire original thought, and promote a range view of point. The wicked refers to difficult and unclear problems that are called for unusual solution. Asking the appropriate questions might help a group come up with creative answers. Now we'll look into how to play the wicked question game. First, we start by dividing into groups, and in the first 5 minutes, we introduce the concept of wicked questions and paradox. We give a template to be completed by inserting two opposite strategies that are at play. In the next 5 minutes, each participant generates a pair of opposite or paradoxes as play in his or her work using wicked questions format. Then we go to the next 5 minutes again, and each group selects its most impactful and wicked questions. All selected wicked questions are shared with the whole group, and for the last 10 minutes, the whole group pick out the most powerful ones and further refine the wicked questions. Now let's look into when we need to use the wicked questions. We use the wicked question when navigating complexity, for example, issues involving multiple stakeholders or diverse perspectives. We also use the wicked questions in aspects of creating ideas. When developing a new product, we ask questions that challenge traditional norms. And in strategic planning, we use the wicked question to make assumptions and provoke critical thinking in order to shape future direction. And lastly, in decision-making process, we use it to ensure a comprehensive exploration of alternatives and potential outcomes. Where do we need to use the wicked questions? We could apply the wicked question into regular team meetings to encourage creative thinking and challenge habitual approaches. The wicked questions are well suited for structured brainstorming sessions to break down conventional thinking. We also use the wicked questions in retrospective meetings to reflect on past projects and identify opportunities for improvement. When we align the wicked questions in strategic workshop, it helps to challenge assumption and explore alternative strategies. In using the wicked questions in meetings, it helps us to focus on problem solving to boost diverse perspective and find unconventional solutions. Now let's look into ways we can implement the wicked questions. We start by clearly articulating the problem or challenges you are facing. Then we proceed to craft questions that challenge assumption and encourage creative thinking. And lastly, we go into using questions to guide a structured group discussion. And lastly, we document insights and potential solutions generated during the discussion. Overall, the wicked question enables us to challenge preconceived notions and promote an innovative and creative culture among our teams. They are effective tools in our toolbox for handling the difficulties of the modern world. That will be it for my presentation. Thank you for your attention.